Stop wasting hours designing from scratch. These 5 AI websites will save you time, speed up your workflow, and make you a smarter, faster designer in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to Dabchickco, where we talk about AI design and the future of creativity. Let's jump right in with our first website, Galileo AI. This is a game changer. Galileo generates complete, fully editable UI screens from a single text prompt. Imagine this. You need a new dashboard, a landing page, or a mobile app screen. Instead of spending hours meticulously placing every element, you just type what you want. For example, you could prompt it to create a modern fitness app UI with dark mode and neon blue accents. In just seconds, you get a clean, modern design that you can export directly into Figma. This completely revolutionizes your prototyping process, taking it from hours down to literal minutes. You get high-fidelity mockups almost instantly, allowing you to iterate and get feedback way faster than ever before. It's an incredible way to kickstart any digital design project and stay ahead of deadlines. Next up at number 2, we have RunwayML, specifically their Gen 3 model. AI video editing is absolutely exploding right now, and Runway is at the forefront of this revolution. It's no longer just about simple cuts and transitions. With Runway, you can generate complex camera movements, create character animations from still images, and even replace entire backgrounds seamlessly. Think about the possibilities. For designers who are looking to expand their skills into video and motion graphics, this tool is your perfect entry point. You can create stunning promotional videos, animated logos, or dynamic social media content without needing years of experience in After Effects. It's like having a Hollywood visual effects team right at your fingertips, making professional-grade video accessible to every creative. Coming in at number 3 is Khroma. Let's be honest, choosing the right color palette can be one of the most challenging parts of design. We've all spent way too long scrolling through color libraries, right? Well, Khroma solves this problem using it. It learns your personal taste by having you pick 50 of your favorite colors. Then, it uses that data to generate infinite, unique color palettes tailored specifically for you. The results are always beautiful and, most importantly, usable. This is a dream for UI and brand designers. It not only gives you pairs and quads but also shows you how they look in real-world examples like gradients, typography, and on a poster. It even provides auto-gradient suggestions, saving you even more time. No more guesswork, just personalized, perfect palettes every single time. At number 4, we have a tool that feels like pure magic. Uizard. This platform can turn your hand-drawn wireframe sketches into fully digital editable screens instantly. Just imagine you're on a call with a client, brainstorming ideas. You can sketch out a concept on a piece of paper or a whiteboard, snap a picture with your phone, and upload it to Uizard within seconds. It converts that rough sketch into a clean digital prototype. You can then edit it live, right there with the client. This dramatically speeds up the approval process because clients can see their ideas come to life in real time. It bridges the gap between a low-fidelity idea and a high-fidelity design, making collaboration smoother and boosting your client's confidence in your work from the very beginning. And finally, at number 5, we have Fliki AI. As a designer, your work isn't just about visuals. It's also about how you present it. Fliki is an AI tool that generates professional-level voiceovers and creates engaging short videos directly from a script. This is incredibly powerful for designers. You can use it to create compelling portfolios, showcase videos, produce clear, explicable videos for your designs, or even help your clients create ads and case study animations. Instead of hiring a voice actor or spending hours editing video, you just paste your text, choose a voice, and Fliki does the heavy lifting. It can even pull stock footage and images to match your script, creating a polished video in minutes. It is the perfect tool for adding that final layer of professionalism to how you present your creative work. So there you have it, the 5 AI websites every designer should start using in 2026. These tools will absolutely make your work faster, smarter, and way more creative, giving you a serious competitive edge. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below which one of these websites will you use first. I'm really curious to know what you think. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, because tomorrow we're going to discover some mind-blowing tools that can build a complete, stunning portfolio for you using nothing but AI. You don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching.